Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to activate Ooredoo eSIM. First thing first, turn on and begin setting up your phone. Then, when you see the Setup Mobile or Setup Cellular screen, tap Use QR code. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish activating your eSIM. Now, after the setup is complete, contact your network provider and ask for a QR code. Open the camera app and scan the QR code, and when you see the mobile plan detected notification, tap it. If your iPhone has an update of 17 or later, you will receive a QR code in your email or browser. Tap and hold the QR code and tap Add eSIM. Now tap Continue at the bottom of the screen, then tap Add Mobile Plan. If asked for a confirmation code, enter the code your network provider gave you. Add your eSIM will be activated and added to your iPhone. If you have more questions, your network provider can assist with any step. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.